Hello all, and here we have these objects properties starting, and we have to dynamize things, the colors and the fillings and everything. So in the basic startup we have learned to dynamize the color of an object right here. It's circle and we just dynamize it as on and off. So it's just a circle and we have lot of objects in the symbol factory, or it's called symbol library. Right here you can see this is the symbol library. Inside the symbol library you'll be getting a lot of stuffs regarding with the instrumentation or the automation firms or the plant elements. Okay, so you can use any symbols or anything inside the industries by selecting the properties general, and you can make it as a tank. Different types of tanks are available in this. You can make it tanks and you can select the category right here. So pumps, safety elements, or anything. I'm using it a pump. Here you can see this is a pump, and this kind of a pump you can use. And these are the types of things: pumps, safety, scales, segment with pipes, sensors, and tanks. Everything can be changed using these symbol elements. See, these are the valves. See, these are the valves. I'm using this kind of a valve. Okay, this is one of a kind of control valve. Oh, not control valve. It's actually not a control valve. It's a solenoid type on off control valve. Okay, sorry, whatever, it's a valve. So this action of this thing can be dynamized using the PLC tags. Okay, this, or else I'm making it a motor. Okay, see, let's see, motors. So these are my motors. So it could be this, or this. So this is my motor. So I'm making its weird shape. It's in shape. So I'm using my motor. I just want to show my motor is running, or motor is on, or motor is off. Let's see, I'm using an input switch. So the input switch tag should be SW1. That means the switch 1. Okay, the switch 1 tag, a boolean tag, and I am going to dynamize the motor color using the switch 1. So for that I am going to select this object and go to the appearance. Okay, here you can see the appearance, and inside the appearance I just want to change the foreground color. You can see, you might be confused about the foreground color and the background color, because the background color means the entire color, that it includes these parts also. These parts also includes the background color. You can see the reference points to enlarge. These are the background parts, and the foreground means the exact model parts. That's a common mistake every guy is doing during the WinCC. So you can change. I cannot change this foreground or background color in this format. I just want to change the style first, because the background could be transparent, and I'm making it a solid. See, these are the background parts. So when it's solid, that's visible actually. So I'm making it transparent again. I don't want that background anymore, and I'm going to the original fill style into shader. By making it shaded, you can see it's in black color, or foreground color is black. So I can make it as a green one, that could be a red one, a pink one, any type of colors I can fix. Now it's in the red color. When the motor is on, that turns green. So that's our need. So I'm going to go to the animations right here, animations, and you can see appearance. Inside the appearance, visibility, appearance. Inside the appearance you can see dynamize the colors and flashing. We can actually go to dynamize it. So the tag will be the same tags for the switch I'm using, and the range should be at 0, that should be the foreground color should be red. At 1, the foreground color should be green. Okay, and we don't need that background color, because this color we are not actually focusing, because it's invisible or transparent, and we don't need the flashing right here. Anyway, I'm not going through that. So let's see a simulation. inside this simulation we will be able to turn on and turn off a motor. That means we can change the color of an object. Means not a circle, not a rectangle, a simple factory element like this. So we can change the color of a motor, a valve, or anything. So I'm going to change it. Double tap and that turns green. That is a color change. So now we are actually going not for the color change, actually we are going for the filling. For filling, actually we have to place a one bar graph. We already gone through the filling. See, we already gone through the filling. Bar graph element is mandatory for the filling, and also a slider. So here is a slider and a bar graph, and I am going to insert one simple factory element. That could be a tank. The tanks are actually filling, that's the things for filling. In the general, I can go for tank. You can search for the tanks right here. TANKS, tanks. See, these are my tanks, available tanks in this list. So I'm using the tank 6. So this will be my tank. So this will be my tank, and okay, so the tank the shade is good, and you can see these are my bar graph. This is my slider for filling the tank. See, I'm gonna use this thing, go to the properties and making a little bit changed. Okay, these things I don't need these R01 markings. So appearance, inside the appearance layout with inner bar, I'm going to uncheck. See, now it looks like this. And going again inside the border type, nothing. Scales, I don't need the scales anymore. Uncheck that. And I don't need the labels anymore. Show marker, gone. And then inside the layout, nothing. Text format, nothing. Flashing, nothing. Limits, nothing. Styles, WinCC dark. Okay, so WinCC dark. Again in the appearance, nothing to change. In the border type, styles, show scale, and check. Label, I don't need these labels. Layout, text format, again appearance. Inside the appearance, I don't need these marks also. And the border type, I'm going to change the width as 0. So we get a filling element right here. So I can make this in filling element. See, it's in the back side. See, this filling element, it's in the back side. So I just want to make it in the front side. So move selected object into front. So it's in the forward position, so I can use it in the overlapped. So here I am making the tank at the backward position. So move in the backward one level. Now you can see the tank is in backward and the filling element is in the front side, and I'm just making it like a bit lighter. So this shows my fill level. Okay, this shows my fill level. See, it's very simple to show the fill level. And now we can go to configure these slider properties, going to plus the process tag as SL, and styles and designs, WinCC dark, my favorite. And this one, again in the general, I just given the process tag, same tag, SL, and the color I am going to fill. The color I am going to fill as not blue, that will be red. Okay, the red color will be filled. So let's see the object filling right here. I'm getting back into the simulation, and now we can see 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and go. So here you can see it's a tank, and the tank can be filled with this slider. You can see whoosh, whoosh. That is the process. Okay, that is the process when the slider can be. We can actually do a process when the switch is on, the blower or the pump will be on, and the tank will be filled with the help of the PLC on the last. Okay, that's kind of a project. Okay, anyway, that's it. This is the filling and the color shades. Thank you.